In this tutorial, I show you how to install Umbraco in Visual Studio 2024, so a popular .NET based CMS. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, follow these steps to set up Umbraco for development. So first, before starting, make sure you have a Visual Studio Code. Make sure it's the latest, the 2024, and then the .NET and also the SQL server. Now, to begin with, make sure you already installed the Visual Studio Code. So, in here, click the create a new project or a code with the code. Create a new project. Okay, 7. And then select ASP.NET if you found that. So unfortunately I download without the workload, so yeah, make sure you download some workloads before setting up this Visual Studio. So assumingly we have on that, select the ASP.NET Core empty and click next. And now create a solution name. So for example, I'm going to name it as Calcifer Project. And after that, click to create. So wait for it to load up. Now as you can see in here, we are in the Visual Studio Code now. Project Manager Console, Package Manager Console. Package Manager Console. Hindi na lang. Sige, sige.
Makikita mo nila ba yung cellphone ko?